Welcome back to Cousin John's Car Stuff. Just a quick video on how to replace a coil pack 2017 Hyundai 2.0 liter. So I've already got the engine cover off. You take your 10 millimeter and you loosen the bolt. Well, before you do that, you have this white clip right here, and you lift up. You have to make sure it pops all the way up. Then you push down on this and move it out of the way. Then you take your 10 mil socket and remove the bolt. And there you go. And then you take and you wiggle and jiggle and turn and lift. Don't yank, just lift. After a few moments, out it comes. Install of the new one is the reverse. Line up the hole on the coil pack with the hole in the engine, or in the hole it screws into. Snug it down, just like that. And then what I do is I just get it where there's a fair amount of resistance. Don't want to tighten it and crack the plastic. Then take the plug. You'll hear a click. Push the white plastic down and you're done. Just a short, quick video how to replace the coil pack on a 2.0 2017 Hyundai Sonata. Hope this helps. Thanks for stopping by. Hope you stop back, like, share, and subscribe, please, if you would. Until next time.